Have you been looking for a new construction home in the Greenville County area that you can customize and make it your own? Today, we're going to take a tour of the Fielder Floor Plan by Toll Brothers right here in Parkland Hills subdivision in Fountain Inn, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville, Greer, Simpsonville, Fountain Inn, Spartanburg, Anderson, and all the towns and cities in between. So today we're going to take a tour of the decorated model, which is the Fielder Floor Plan right here in Parkland Hills subdivision. The Fielder is 5 bedrooms with a huge loft area, 4.5 bathrooms. This thing, they've kitted this property out. They've added a whole bunch of upgrades to this particular one. The base price on this home is $530,000, but this particular one, if you were to buy it the way they kitted it out, it's about $800,000. Plus, they spent another $150,000 in the outdoor space. It's open floor plan, gorgeous kitchen, butler's pantry. This particular neighborhood, they are offering up to $7,500 towards your closing costs. There are 90 home sites in this neighborhood, conveniently located. It's about 26 minutes from downtown Greenville. There are 2 golf courses in less than a minute from this location, one private, one public. The public one is Carolina Springs Golf Course, and Fox Run Golf Course is less than a minute away as well. Downtown Fountain Inn is about 5 minutes away. Downtown Simpsonville is about 10 minutes away, as well as the Five Forks area. So we're gonna pan around, take a look at this particular home right here. And this is a cement board siding neighborhood, so there are no vinyl siding in this community. By the way, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe so you'll be notified the next time we post a video. All right, let's check this house out. Okay, as you can see, this one has 3-car garage. And this home is a little over 3,800 square feet. Nice front porch here. Like I said, there are no vinyl siding in this community, so cement board siding. Look at the front door here. Look how big that thing is. And they have the glass doors here, so lets in lots of natural light. Nice spacious hallway. Wide plank, luxury vinyl plank floors. Okay, you got the study here. There is a closet there, so could be a flex room. And we're gonna go into the family room area here. And there's a deep closet there. And another coat closet. And that's where your networking cables are. Stairs to go upstairs. Gas log fireplace. Look at this kitchen. Nice size island. Plenty of space for your bar stools there. You can see you have 4 bar stools in this one. Tile backsplash. Got your breakfast area, dining room. They've got plenty of upgrades in here. Beautiful countertop, farmhouse sink. You have a 6-burner stove here. It's a KitchenAid. Plenty of countertop. And built-in microwave. It's your butler's pantry. Huge pantry here. Definitely make Costco shopping. Plenty of space for all your groceries. We'll go outside in a minute. You got all the shiplap walls. And this door goes into the garage. 3-car garage. Tankless water heater. This one does have the sprinkler system as well. They're using this right now for storage in the garage. Mudroom. And this is the powder room, half bath. And this is your downstairs bedroom. And this is definitely not the master bedroom. And all the bedrooms in this home have walk-in closets. So this one has an ensuite bathroom, the shower, and the little seat in the shower. Walk-in closet. Plenty of natural light in this house. Got plenty of windows. Okay, we're gonna pan around and go upstairs. Hardwood stairs. So obviously no carpet downstairs, and upstairs, very limited carpet upstairs as well. So as you come up, you got the nice loft area. And go into the laundry room with the sink. Plenty of cabinets in there. We'll head into the master. Gorgeous master. You got the sitting area / morning room. Like I said, they've got plenty of upgrades in this one. His and hers closets. So one closet to the right, another one to the left. His and hers, or hers and hers, or however you want to use it. Double sinks. Got the tub there. It's a water closet. Linen closet. The doors are kind of missing right now. They just took them down, make it easier for people to see. Nice big shower, tiled all the way to the ceiling. 2 shower heads. Even in this bathroom, there's plenty of natural lights. You can see there's a few windows in the bathroom. Plenty of natural light in there. Laundry room there. And right here, you're gonna see another bathroom. The shower. It's got a seat, double sinks. Another linen closet. Bedroom here. Nice recessed lighting. Walk-in closet. Okay, so we're gonna get to another linen closet here. So these bedrooms are the ones that have carpet. So the master has the same flooring that's downstairs. Another walk-in closet here. Plenty of natural light in here. And Jack and Jill bathroom with double sinks again. It's got the rectangular sinks. It's where the tub shower in this one. And then the other bedroom. Again, very nice and bright. Walk-in closet. Okay, we'll Head on outside now. Go check out the backyard. This backyard is gorgeous. I don't know about spending $150,000 for it though, but it's beautiful. All right, so you have these 4-panel exterior door here, so it kind of folds up. So you can see you got plenty of ways to, you can open it up and just enjoy the outside. So huge covered patio. There's an outdoor kitchen. Outdoor fireplace. Oh yeah, they definitely did a wonderful job designing this home. Very beautiful. And you can customize this, like I said. The base price on this is about $530,000, so you can make it your own. Most people pretty much spend about $650,000, $700,000 with their upgrades, but this one being the model home, they went all out on this model home. So it's about $800,000 the way it is right now. It probably won't be for sale for probably another year or so before when they finish the neighborhood and be ready to sell it. But gorgeous, gorgeous home. Conveniently located. If you are interested in this home or any other new construction homes for sale in the area, or if you have questions about the real estate market here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.